Hello everyone, this is Lucy. If you want to deactivate your Device Administrator app, then you will need to follow some of these steps. Hey guys, this is Lucy and I will be directing you with some of the steps to deactivate your Device Administrator app in your Samsung phone. First, you will need to go to your settings. Here, go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and there will be an option, Other Security Settings. Click on that. You will be taken to this page. So here, you will need to click on the Device Admin apps right there. You probably have the Device Admin app enabled. Here at the bottom right corner, you will see the Deactivate option like that. Or you can just pull that and deactivate your Device Admin apps. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.